It's Jose with Direct Liquidation, and today we are going to be reacting to an unboxing video sent to us from one of our facilities. Now, this is a general merchandise pallet from one of the top home improvement retailers in the country. So you are going to be getting a wealth and a diversity of inventory. And as you can see, 3 items in and we're already at $250+ That is incredible. But as you can see from right behind her, this pallet is just overflowing with inventory, and it has a bunch of inventory from the top to the bottom. We make sure that all of our pallets are filled to the brim. So if you're buying one pallet or the better value of a truckload of 26 of these pallets, you are going to be getting a great value for each one of these pallets. Now, I'm going to take a second here to just, if you haven't already, go to our Facebook group and join it. We have pallets like this and other great deals happening every day, and I don't want you to miss it. So now already 10 items in, and I believe she's pulling out a pair of shoes. Now, as you can see, these general merchandise pallet have just a little bit of everything from this top home improvement retailer. And so you're going to be getting a wealth of inventory that you can put up on a OfferUp, a Facebook marketplace, other online sales, or even discount retailers if you have a storefront. This is a great way to get you the wealth of inventory that you need, and it's at a great value for your business. 12 items in and we were already at $1,000. Now, that was just a fourth of the pallet. Imagine the other 3/4 of that pallet and how much that number would have gotten to. And if you buy a truckload, which is the better value for most businesses, you are going to be getting 26 of these pallets in that truckload. So imagine the amount of value you get for each one of these pallets in each one of those truckloads. So as I said before, if you haven't already, join our Facebook group so that you can keep up with all of our updates and our deals happening every single day. And if you have any questions, you can find our contact information in the comments down below. Our sales team is ready to answer anything and work with you to find the best inventory for you.